Okay, Jeremy here, Jeeps Unlimited, 303-666-9020. JeepsUnlimited.net. Again, that's JeepsUnlimited.net. I am listing a CJ5 frame, and I don't know what motor this one had. I think it was a 4-cylinder. Pretty sure because the mounts on it look a little goofy. I might have to confirm that, so don't take my word for it, but I will give you the lowdown as if you were here on a video like I normally do. Anything on it that I see that has been changed, welded on, cut, anything like that, I will point out. If there's something I miss, it's not intentional, just let me know. I mean, been doing this a long time and I make mistakes. So the first thing is it's been boxing in the front, which is pretty common to see on these old frames because they're basically a C-channel and they're fairly weak. It's in really good shape. There's not a speck of rot on this thing whatsoever. So that's that. The other thing is it's got some crazy contraption that I assume it goes to some sort of steering. It could be an advanced adapters plate of some kind to mount it. I don't know, but I'm sure I'll get somebody that'll tell me, and I appreciate those customers because I don't know everything about these other things, and I'm not quite sure what that is. But it's definitely where the motor normally mounts, so it could just be a template of some kind to get some, I don't know, I'm not sure. But that comes with it, so maybe it's worth a lot and you'll get something free out of it. Otherwise, let me know. Back of the frame's really nice. It's got the factory cross over there. Those things sometimes are gone. I think that's all there. It looks all there. Yeah, so let me flip this guy over and show you the bottom side of it. Alright. Oh man, I can do that one-handed, but that's a little heavier. So, let me see if I can do that. Oh yeah. Alright, well, I'll tell you for damn sure. Oh, that is heavier than normal. So, it's not definitely the 65. Could be that bumper on that front. That looks like it's got some thick steel on it, so could be where the weight of that thing came from. Normally these things are pretty light and they flip over pretty easy. So I have some other ones listed on the site, you'll see. So